Guys, I have the best package ever. This is literally the best package I've opened on this channel. You can tell by the title that I'm really excited. I'm gonna have to open this off camera though, so. Somehow I'm supposed to open this. I don't know. I just want to get straight to the point. I ordered some old minifigures, from 2005, from Star Wars, obviously. It stuck to my finger. Okay. I'm opening it. There we go. Okay. Alright. Sorry. So let's see. Yes! The brick people. They came. Get out of the package. Yay! My cloney boys have arrived! My cloney boys! My cloney boys! There's a thank you card right here. And brick people. Look at my cloney boys! The 2005 versions! I'm opening them right now. Right now. My 2005 cloney boy! I ordered 2 of them. I haven't told you guys about it. Really. Oh, God. Sorry about that. But look. My cloney boy. Here, I'll build him. I want to build him. I want to build this awesome guy. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, oh, oh. Cloney boy, cloney boy, cloney boy, cloney boy. Cloney boy. I think this is the 2005 version. I can't tell really. Is this the 2005 version? Tell me in the comments. I'm not. But I ordered 2 of them. I ordered 2, and he's in perfect condition. He's like in perfect condition, dude. He's in perfect, brand new, no cracks in his torso. He's in perfect condition. Here, let me give him his weapon real quick. I gotta give him his weapon though. He's just got a regular blaster. Regular Lego blaster. Cloney. Alright, I got his blaster. Now I'm gonna give him his blaster real quick. So, yeah. Here is the cloney boy. Blackhead. Let's open the other one, shall we? Alright, I opened the other one and now I'm gonna build him. There's no cracks in his torso either, so that's awesome. Alright, I'm building him. Boom! 2 cloney boy. I gotta get the other weapon out though. Other weapon. Come on, man. Did it just fly out? Alright, no. Okay. Yeah, I ordered 2 because I didn't just want 1, obviously, because these are my first 2005 phase 2 clones, actually. They're a lot they're a lot shinier. They're like glossy. They're really glossy. They're actually really glossy in real life. You can't really tell, but those are my 2 clone troopers from 2005. They're perfect condition, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Goodbye.